Welcome to Gyan Laksha. Science and Technology. Multiple choice questions. Part 2. What determines the magnification produced by a convex lens? A. The focal length of the lens and the distance of the object from the lens. B. Only the focal length of the lens. C. Only the distance of the object from the lens. D. The material of the lens and the angle of incidence of light.
Audio Jungle.
What technology allows users to interact with virtual objects in the real world? A. 3D printing. B. Holography. C. Augmented reality. D. Virtual reality.
Audio Jungle.
The basic unit of acceleration in the SI system is A. Meter. B. Kilometer per hour. C. Meter per second squared. D. Second.
Audio Jungle.
When light travels from a denser medium to a less dense medium, it A. Bends away from the normal. B. Bends towards the normal. C. Travels in a straight line. D. The direction doesn't change.
Audio Jungle.
How does increasing the resistance in a circuit affect the current flowing through it, assuming the voltage remains constant? A. The current increases. B. The current decreases. C. The current remains constant. D. The effect depends on the type of circuit, series or parallel.
Audio Jungle.
What is the difference between density and specific gravity? A. Density is the mass per unit volume, while specific gravity is the ratio of the density of a substance to the density of water. B. Specific gravity is always greater than density. C. Specific gravity is always less than density. D. They are the same thing.
Audio Jungle.
In a hydraulic system, pressure applied to a confined liquid is transmitted undiminished throughout the liquid and acts on the walls of the container. This principle is known as A. Pascal's law. B. Archimedes' principle. C. Bernoulli's principle. D. Newton's third law of motion.
Audio Jungle.
Air resistance is an example of A. Contact force. B. Non-contact force. C. Both contact and non-contact force. D. Neither contact nor non-contact force.
Audio Jungle.
In a series circuit, the total current is A. Equal to the sum of the currents in each individual component. B. The same throughout the circuit. C. Dependent on the voltage across each component. D. Inversely proportional to the total resistance of the circuit.
Audio Jungle.
What determines the speed of sound in a medium? A. The frequency of the wave. B. The amplitude of the wave. C. The properties of the medium. D. All of the above.
Audio Jungle.
According to Coulomb's law, the electric force between two charged particles is directly proportional to the A. Sum of their charges. B. Product of their charges. C. Square root of their charges. D. Inverse of their charges.
Audio Jungle.
When an object is thrown upwards, what happens to its gravitational potential energy as it goes up? A. It increases. B. It decreases. C. It remains constant. D. it becomes 0.
Audio Jungle.
What is the unit of work in the SI system? A. Meter. B. Newton. C. Joule. D. Watt.
Audio Jungle.
The powerhouses of the cell, responsible for cellular respiration, are called A. Ribosomes. B. Lysosomes. C. Mitochondria. D. Endoplasmic reticulum.
Audio Jungle.
A sustainable practice in agriculture is A. Using excessive amounts of fertilizers and pesticides. B. Practicing crop rotation and cover cropping. C. Clear-cutting forests for agricultural land. D. Introducing invasive species to a new environment.
Audio Jungle.
A group of interacting populations of different species living in a specific area is called A. Community. B. Ecosystem. C. Biosphere. D. Population.
Audio Jungle.
What is the name of the specialized reproductive structure in flowering plants that contains pollen grains? A. Ovary. B. Anther. C. Carpel. D. Stigma.
Audio Jungle.
The air sacs in the lungs where gas exchange takes place are called A. Alveoli. B. Bronchi. C. Trachea. D. Diaphragm.
Audio Jungle.
Plants transport water and dissolved minerals throughout their bodies through A. Xylem. B. Phloem. C. Stomata. D. Guard cells.
Audio Jungle.
The process of transferring genetic information from DNA to RNA for protein synthesis is called A. Replication. B. Transcription. C. Translation. D. Mutation.
Audio Jungle.